Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a collaboration opportunity on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the latest steps to enable notifications for collaboration invites on the Instagram app for PC, so you can stay connected and respond to every invite as soon as it arrives. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Find and click on the profile icon. This will take you to your personal Instagram page and display more options on the sidebar. Next, look for the notifications option in this menu and click on it. This section is your control center for all the alerts Instagram can send you, helping you manage what you want to be notified about. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see several categories. You want to head into push notifications. Click on this to open up more detailed settings about the types of alerts you can receive while using Instagram on your PC. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Collaboration Invites. This is where you decide who can send you notifications for collaboration requests. To ensure you never miss an invite, select the option From Everyone. With this setting, you'll receive notifications anytime someone sends you a collaboration invite, whether it's for a post, a reel, or another creative project. And that's it. With these settings enabled, you'll always be the first to know when someone wants to team up with you on Instagram. Staying connected and collaborating with others has never been easier, especially with these new updates designed for desktop users. Thanks for joining me today. Now you're all set to make the most out of your Instagram collaborations. Happy connecting and happy collaborating.